Thanks for joining me for the sections on the security innovations. We talk about the whole program on the IT general awareness, security awareness training, the application security training indeed, and then unit hackathon simulation training live. In very quick, to provide an overview on the security innovation called security awareness and the application security training overview, right? In general, because they have 100 over courses, the best way to do is that I will try to group them into a respective area and then for the people in the specific role. For instance, for the security awareness, for the IT general awareness, actually, they are the leader in this particular domain. So, from those kind of the related courses, usually it will depend on the scenario. Let's say you are targeted to have the security awareness training, and for the development staff, or it is for the general staff, or is IT staff. Then the inside the content table will need to be adjusted accordingly. From the 100 over courses, that can be doing as a grouping. Instead of consume one course at a time, you can be doing it as a bundle by track. For instance, those that are in specific target for the developer, architect, test and QA people, or the manager. Right? For instance, like for the developer, so it depends on your company platform. Some will be on Java, C/C++, and then the PHP, Microsoft.NET, or even now it became popular like for the mobile platform for the Android and iOS, or embedded security applications, cloud application. All those have a very specific track that it can be in the bundle to the consumer. Then of course, another whole part of what security innovation is being really called on is their application security training indeed, that we can further grouping into the four functional area, like for secure coding, for usually is for the developer, right, to enhance their coding on the respective platform we're talking, and then for to equip them on the secure design for the application, and then security engineering, and of course the security testing. So this is a very quick and holistic view on all those related training, how they come together. Security general awareness training is basically we have in the special bundle, for instance, like this one, straight from the one of the slide. That is for end user awareness bundle. CBT stands for the computer-based training for all courses. Let's say we bundle it in for the 100 user access for the course content for within a 1 year license subscription basic. They cover all the content where you can have a category like malware analyst, the email security, phishing awareness, mobile device security, the PCI compliant, the area, right, and the password security, physical security, social engineering, and the tribal security. So all those areas, so in one courses that to simplify your own in-house campaign to want to create the user awareness for in terms of security. So like on top of just the security awareness in the package bundle, for instance, for 100, but they do have the customer require a really customized training course bundle related to their own enterprise or organizations specific functionality like performance gain, right? They say need to fill in by, of course, training is the most effective means. So, like here, this is the cost bundle that is for database development track that is related to the development on the database. So, for instance, here is a bundle of 5 courses for one user for 1 year access, right? So, take your own time until you really master it. Then, for instance, here we see that it will cover 5 topics that could include the foundation of application security, foundation of secure database development, create secure code for the Oracle Foundation, create secure code for SQL Server Foundation, and foundation of cryptography, right? So this is for the database development. So we continue with another one, just to give you a quick overview. For instance, this is another course bundle. This is for PCI development, right? It's for the PCI compliant. That's why you notice that the 5 courses that is being bundled is relevant for the PCI development, or people look to pursue that. That's why they have the fundamental of application security, PCI DAS, the version 3.2 best practice for developer. The OSWAP top 10, the trick and mitigations, how to create an application security tweak model, and then how to perform a security code review. All those relevant for people, in specific for PCI development. Let's move on. So we continue. Here is another course bundle. It is specific for the project manager. That for 1 year, 1 user basis, right? So that's why you see this track. You were inclusive on the foundation of application security, foundation on secure architectures, Microsoft SQL for manage the software development lifecycle, and then for the SDLC, the gap analysis and emulation techniques, and as well as how to create application security design requirement. Although it is essential for people who are performing the job as a project manager or in the way to transit or promoting to perform the role, right? You may want to have this kind of the formal training then to make you more effective and efficient to handling the job role. This is another bundle. It is for software architect track per user per year license subscription base that inclusive of these 5 courses: the foundation of application security, foundation of secure architect, OSWAP top 10 trick and mitigation, and then for the architecture risk analysis and remediation, and introduction to security tool and technology, right, in one bundle. This is the another course bundle is for people to perform the QA and test. This is why you see the 5 bundle courses is relevant to them, like for foundation of security testing, classes of security effect, how to test for the OSWAP top 10, how to perform a security code review, and then for advanced software security testing, tool and techniques, right? It's darker and tailor-made just for the QA and test people. This course is for those in the developed cloud-based application. That's why this is a cloud development track. Same also for 1 user, 1 year basic for 5 courses with the fundamental of the application security, fundamental of cryptography, and then for the fundamental of secure cloud development, and then for creating secure cloud code, AWS Foundation, and then for create secure cloud code is for Microsoft Azure Foundations in one bundle. This is for the course bundle for the IT architect, where it's inclusive of the foundation of secure architectures, architecture, risk analysis and regulations, and then intro to security tool and technology, SDLC gap analysis and implementation technique, and how to create application security design requirement that is targeted for IT architect. This course is for system leadership track, so it's same also. It is a bundle of 5 relevant courses for foundation of secure development, Microsoft SDL for manager, SDLC gap analysis and implementation technique, and also top 10 for threat and mitigation, creating secure application architectures. For those related to the embedded development, so this is a track, of course, same also for 5 courses. Here we have the foundation of application security, foundation of cryptography, and the foundation of secure embedded development, create secure code for C++ foundation, and then create secure code for C++ foundation for embedded system. For those involved in the embedded architect, so this is a track that inclusive of 5 courses: foundation of the secure architectures, foundation of secure mobile development, foundation of the cryptography, and then the architecture risk analysis and remediation, and then architecture risk analysis and remediation for embedded system. This is for the embedded QA track. Come with the 5 courses: foundation on security testing, foundation on security testing for embedded system, classes of security effect, and then the class of security effect for embedded system, how to perform a security code review. For C/C++ development track, right? There is a 5 course bundle: foundation of the application security, foundation of the secure development, foundation of the secure embedded development, foundation of cryptography, and then for create secure code based on the C/C++ foundations. For database development track, so it's the bundle of the foundation of application security, foundation of secure database development, creating secure code for Oracle Foundation, create secure code for SQL Server Foundation, and fundamental of cryptography. For mobile, so we talk about the mobile development track. So it comes with the 5 courses: the foundation of application security, foundation of secure mobile development, creating the secure code for iPhone Foundation, and then for create secure code for Android Foundation, and then the also top 10 threat and mitigation in one single package bundle. For PSP development, so the 5 track is the foundation of application security, foundation of secure Ajax code, create secure code Ruby on Rails foundation, and then the create secure code in the Python, and then for the also top 10 threat and manipulations. For the Java houses, okay, this is the Java development track, foundation of application security, foundation of secure development, create secure code Java foundation, create secure Ajax code Java foundation, and also top 10 threat and manipulations. Okay, now we continue. I call it build program bundle. Why so? Because in this package bundle, it is quite similar like the karate ranking track. That will have the green build, blue build, red build, and black build, but in one single platform bundle with all the relevant courses. Usually it will ranging definitely over 10 courses and more for those very serious people who really want to advance from the beginning to become a master level. So in one single package bundle. First, we talk about the Java track under this build program bundle. They have in the green build inclusive of the foundation of application security, foundation on secure development, create secure Ajax code Java foundation, create secure code Java foundation under blue build. then how to test for the OSWAP top 10, and then OSWAP top 10, trick and manipulation, and then further to the reveal. So we have a create secure code web API foundations. Then we will have the create secure Java code, creating secure jQuery code, and then to the black wheel, we have how to create an application security threat model, foundation of the cryptography, and then how to perform a secure code review, and F1 software security testing tool and technique in one single build program bundle. For this is for Java track. We continue for the build program bundle for C/C++ track that inclusive of review, the foundation of application security, foundation of secure development, Google, creating secure coding, C/C++ foundations, foundation of secure and branded development. Under review, we have the creating secure C/C++ code, how to perform a security code review, how to create an application security threat model. And then for backfill courses, so we have the foundation of cryptography, classes of security defect, and one software security testing tool and techniques, individual overflow attack and countermeasure, and then for the buffer overflow attack and countermeasure in single build program bundle for C and C++ track. Build program bundle for the .NET track. So in green build, we have fundamental of application security, foundation of the secure development, creating secure Ajax code under the ASP.NET Foundation. In blue build, we have the create source secure code window foundation, creating the secure code .NET Framework Foundation, and OSWAP top 10, threat and manipulations. And for red build, we have creating secure code web API foundation, creating secure ASP.NET code, and create secure C# code. And continue from there. On the black build, we have the foundation of cryptography, creating secure application architectures, and one software security testing tool and techniques. Is integral overflow attack and countermeasure, and buffer overflow attack and countermeasure in single package. For PHP houses, so this is a build program bundle. So we have for build, so green build, so you will start from the foundation of secure development, foundation of the secure Ajax code, then you continue to blue build to the OSWAP top 10, threat and manipulation, create secure PHP code, then we continue repair, then to how to create an application security threat model, how to perform a security code review, then you will go into the back build. So to the foundation of cryptography, and then create secure application architectures, and one software development testing tool and techniques, and integral overflow attack and countermeasures, and then for the buffer overflow, the attack and countermeasure. So here 1, 4, 8, 10, 12 courses, right? So for some people it is more than busy for you for years already. So at your own speed. For mobile development, from build program bundle, so you start from the green build. So the foundation of application security testing, foundation secure mobile development, blue build, the creating secure code, iPhone foundation, creating secure code, the Android foundation. Then we continue to review, then creating secure iPhone code in Objective-C, and then to creating secure Android code in Java, how to create an application security modeling, then you enter into the back build, how to perform a security code review, and one software security testing tool and techniques, and integral overflow attack and countermeasure, buffer overflow attack and countermeasure, right? In one course like here we have 4, 7, ignite then 11 courses for the user to consume within a 1-year period. Just have a very quick overview. So of course, if you have some question or you are more like in the quantity, in the spatial rate, framework rate, or you want to be in spatial bundling on the courses in a very special way, all those things feel free to contact us. So we will be here to assist you. Of course, you can contact us through our website www.e-espincorp.com, or you may be talk with our respective channel partner and so on. Then we see how we can help you to enabling you on your security awareness and for your application security training indeed that for your team, right? We eventually will be help you to improve your security awareness and application security product quality in build and competency and so on.